So I'm replacing this 3-inch recessed light in my bathroom. I could not find this type of recessed light anymore, so I had to do something. I tried to disassemble it. It has its own, I guess. Here's the disassembled one. I think this is the transformer. Those are the 4 LEDs. It's broken. It doesn't lit up anymore. I'm thinking of replacing it with a GU10 LED light, but I had to do something about it to connect this. 5 watts. So it says here 120 VAC. I'm trying to see if I can connect this directly to a main line, 120 volts. I bought this, so this is where the GU10 will connect. Actually, I tested this in my range hood and it worked. So that range hood is connected to 120V. I'm just gonna connect this to the main line, black and white. There's doesn't say which one is hot, which one is not. There are 3 lights, so I'll connect all the blacks together and all the whites together. But before I do that, let me experiment it one at a time. This is what I did. I cut a line from my old Christmas light. It says it has a fuse of rated 3 amps. And this has, I guess, an 18 gauge wire, so it's small. And this is what I did. Connected it. Connected one here. See this pin here will just go in there. Now, let's plug this. Kind of nervous a little bit because one time when I was a kid I did experiment on a dynamo that I did not know about the voltage and ratings and everything, and it exploded. Let's see. Hey, it worked! Mama, it worked! Look at that! It worked! Woo! Let's wait a couple of minutes. Let's see if it's not gonna melt.
Wait for 1 hour.
The formula for amperes is 5 watts divided by 120 volts. So it's only drawing about 0.05 amperes. So now I can replace my bathroom with this. I'm gonna connect 3 of this. I'm gonna add 2 there. I already have 1. You saw that it worked fine. So now we'll connect it parallel, drawing 120 volts on each. This parallel does not split the volt, but I will need see. Okay, this is fine. There you go. Now we'll connect all of these 3. Okay, so now we got parallel connection. Let's just check. So we got this one connected, separate. 1, 2, 3 connected to one line. And then this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. I might get confused because I might short circuit, but no. They're all separate. See? This one separate. This one separate. And this one separate. Now, let's connect this. So it's gonna draw about 2 amps. Less than 2 amps. So, okay, let's plug it. I'm using some gloves for my protection. Okay, they're all separate. 4 amps. There, it worked, Mama. 3 lights. Look at that. So I remove one just to show you it's not series. So these two are still connected. Still work, the two. So I'm in the attic and I found where it is. This is where my CR is. Looks like there's a loose connection. It's really not the LED that is, because it's pretty new. Look at that. It's loose. Okay, I checked and the connection is good and all these wires are not loosely connected. So we'll check the switch next. Connected it this way. What I did is cut this from the other one so that I can plug it there. We'll try. How it looks. There you go. It turned out that it is the switch that is defective after all those efforts and ruining LED light. But hey, I learned a lot. I put it in the housing. I forgot to take a video of that. There's a delay actually. See, there's a delay. Oh, but after a while, when you turn it on again, almost simultaneous.